Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, the R22 syllabus was already uploaded, but recently the JNTU have released the R25 syllabus also. So I am uploading this R25 overview syllabus of the pharmaceutics and the pharmaceutical technology M.Pharmacy. In this, the subjects like modern pharmaceutics ones, applied biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, advanced physical pharmaceutics, drug regulatory affairs, total quality management of artificial intelligence in formulations and the process development, pharmaceutical validation, stability of the drugs and dosage forms, modern pharmaceutical lab, and applied biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics lab. Then we have modern pharmaceutics, 2 advanced drug delivery systems, industrial pharmacy, herbal cosmetics, pharmaceutical management, nano-based drug delivery system, nutraceuticals, clinical research and pharmacovigilance, pharmaceutics lab 2, advanced drug delivery systems lab, and then biostatistics, scale up and technology transfer, production area, design and packaging development. Then let's go with the overview of the syllabus. In the first unit, the subject of modern pharmaceutics, we have pre-formulation studies, formulation development and the solid dosage forms, excipients and dosage forms, pharmaceutical development of the dosage forms of microencapsulation, formulation of development of soft and hard gelatin capsules, optimization techniques in the pharmaceutical formulations and the processing. Then we have for applied biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics. In this we have dissolution and bioavailability, bioequivalence, pharmacokinetic absorption, drug disposition, non-linear pharmacokinetics, clinical kinetics, and time-dependent pharmacokinetics, drug interactions. And then we have advanced biotics. In this, polymer science, physics of the tablet compression, kinetics and drug stability, viscosity, elasticity, characterization of API, excipients, and differential scanning, calorimetry, X-ray diffraction methods, thermogravimetry analysis, dissolution and solubility. Then drug regulatory affairs. In this, drug regulatory aspects in India, good manufacturing practices, GMP, global regulatory affairs, good documentation practices governing regulatory bodies across the globe. And then we have in the next subject we have the total quality management system. There's the concept and philosophy of TQM, drug regulatory, good manufacturing practices, premises, and then regulatory considerations of preclinical and clinical evaluation, then globalization of drug industry, and then artificial intelligence in the formulation and the process development. Fundamentals of AI and the machine learning in the pharmaceutics, AI in the pre-formulations and the formulation development, artificial neural networks and neurofuzzy models in the development of pharmaceutical products, pharmacokinetics and biopharmaceutics stability modeling, and then case studies and emerging trends, and the pharmaceutical validation. In this we have introduction, qualification of analytical instruments, qualification of laboratory experiments, cleaning validation, analytical method technologies, stability of drug and solid state chemical decomposition, physical stability and dosage forms, physical stability testing of cosmetics, concept of stability studies, and then methods of analysis. Next we have the research methodology. In this we have meaning of the research, elective, effective literature studies, effective technical writing, nature of intellectual properties, patents and scope of the patent rights and licensing. And then modern pharmaceutical lab, these are the experiments that we have. And then we have applied biopharmacokinetics lab 2. In this, these are the experiments we have. And then modern pharmaceutics 2. In this we have pilot plant scale up techniques and used in the pharmaceutical manufacturing, pilot plant and scale up, formulation development and the parental dosage forms, pharmaceutical aerosols, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, aseptic process operations. And then we have advanced drug delivery systems. In this, fundamentals and controlled drug delivery systems, design, fabrication, evaluation, applications of the following systems, biological and molecular approaches, then design, fabrication, evaluation of the following systems, and drug delivery, lungs, brain and neoplasms, etc. in the drug delivery system. Then we have the industrial pharmacy, pharmaceutical unit operations, production management, treatment, validations. Herbal cosmetics, in this we have the introduction to the herbal and cosmetics, then commonly used herbal cosmetics, process of it, and the general principles of the quality, skincare products, hair care products, and in the cosmetics. And then we have pharmaceutical management. In this pharmaceutical management, meaning and evaluation and fundamental concepts of the production and financial, personal, legal, understanding the organization, professional, personal management, management of the industries relation, and then nano-based drug delivery systems. In this we have introduction to the nanotechnology, its definition, history, and then synthesis of nanomaterials, biomedical and applications of the nanotechnology, design of the nanomaterials for the drug delivery, characterizations of the nanomaterials. And then we have nutraceuticals. In this, the definition and functions of the food, nutraceuticals and dietary supplements, phytochemicals and the nutraceuticals of these compounds, medicinal benefits of the following, and then introduction of the free radicals in the diabetes mellitus, and antioxidants, food laws and regulations and regulation claims. Then we have clinical research and the pharmacovigilance. In this we have regulatory perspectives of the clinical trials types and design, clinical trials documentation, basic aspects, terminologies, and establishments of pharmacovigilance methods, ADR reporting, and tools used in the pharmacovigilance. Next, experiments. And then we have the advanced drug delivery systems lab. These are the experiments. Then we have the biostatistics. In this, the introduction and scope of biostatistics, measure of the central tendency, dispersion, measure of the correlation and regression, probability rules, analysis of the variance, ANOVA, hypothesis, analysis of ANOVA, hypothesis testing, and non-parametric tests. Scale up and technology transfer. And in this we have project plan design, scale up, validation, equipment qualification, process validation, and industrial safety. Next we have the production area design and packaging development, production area design, current good manufacturing practices, pharmaceutical packing design, and the stability of the packaging, packing of the solid, semi-solid, parentals, ophthalmics, and aerosols. The next we have English for the research paper. In this, the paper and the planning of the research, clarifying who did what, and the review of the literature, key skills needed for the writing title, and the key skills needed for the methods writing.